Hi, I'm Bruno. We are Elephone Company, an international positioning smartphone brand since 2014. We have rich experience on manufacturing and exporting. But we are also a large integrated platform for epidemic products with high-quality manufacturing prices. Many epidemic products factories from China with very less experience of exporting. There are already many cases happen that customers fail, but unable to ship the goods or irrigation. To avoid such loss, we are here to guarantee your business and make it safe.
Medical supplies and equipment, ventilator, surgical mask, surgical gloves, ice goggles, home and kitchen, toaster, tissues, USB computer cameras for online calls, beauty and personal care, hair clippers, electric razor, sports and fitness, resistance band, dumbbell. Non-personal business, corporations guarantee, factory price, sports supply, full set of certification, strict quality check, reliable logistics.